Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for March the 21st to the 23rd, 2013. That's Thursday to Saturday. Looking at Wednesday's highs, only the Plymouth area really reaching double figures in temperature, and the averages, as you can see, were hovering around 4 or 5 degrees generally in Celsius. Nighttime temperatures into Wednesday morning generally around freezing, but some areas went down into the minuses, -1 to 3. And there will be little improvement in the next 3 days. In fact, it's probably a step backwards, whereas more wet weather moves in from the southwest, turning into snow further north in northern England and in Scotland in particular. And you can see it coming in here from this low pressure system, which intensifies as it moves towards the British Isles and then curves away again, and that will be the source of most of the weather that we'll be seeing in the next few days. And on Thursday we'll see the beginnings of it, particularly later on in the day, as rain starts to increase in the southwest of England and in Southern Ireland as well. Apart from that, it's overcast across most of the country, but in Scotland there's more sunshine to be had towards the west, with isolated snow showers in the north. Temperatures will be chilly, 5 or 6 degrees, maybe 7 in some areas in the southwest of England and Ireland. In Scotland, 3 or 4 degrees is the high there. Coming into Thursday night, this is the first of the significant snowfall that we'll see, and this will be mainly in central parts of England towards the northwest, into northwestern England as well, and parts of eastern Scotland will see some light snow. Northern Ireland as well, seeing more heavy snow there as well. And south of those areas, in southern England, southern Ireland, there'll be a lot of heavy rain, with low temperatures into the minuses in Scotland, but around freezing in northern England and between 4 and 7 degrees towards the southwest of England and Wales. On Friday, a continuation of this, more rain towards the south, heavy snow towards the north, and you can see highlighted here the main areas of concern, mainly towards the northwest of England into the southwest of Scotland on Friday, but snow will creep over towards the east coast, perhaps in some areas not reaching the east coast or falling as rain on coastal areas, with temperatures high temperatures in northern parts of England and Scotland only a degree above freezing, and in the south a little bit milder, especially towards the southwest, perhaps 10 degrees the high there. And on Friday night the focus shifts towards the east this time, heavy snowfall falling in eastern areas, northeast of England into eastern Scotland especially, and inland as well. Particularly we'll see heavy snow. In Ireland the snow will be receding, and it will turn more into rain and sleet, and towards the south of England as well, more rain continuing, but fading from the southwest, with low temperatures around freezing in the north, below freezing in Scotland, and above freezing in the south of England, 3 to 5 degrees. Saturday we'll see more heavy snow towards the east of England and the east of Scotland as well, again, but this time creeping towards the south a little bit as well. Rain that where we had on Friday evening turning into snow as it moves a little bit towards the northeast on Saturday, and more rain in the southwest as well, but mixed in with some sunny intervals where the temperature may reach 11 degrees Celsius. The rest of us though, it will be chilly, particularly in central and eastern areas where the temperature may only reach 1 or 2 degrees. And on Saturday night most of the precipitation leaves us finally, except for in parts of eastern Scotland where light snow will continue to linger, especially over in the Highlands as well, on higher ground and inland areas. And Northern Ireland may see some light drizzle, but elsewhere it's going to be overcast generally, and that means it's going to be colder, -2 generally across England and North Wales, and perhaps as low as -7 in Scotland. And after that it appears that winter will be staying with us, at least in terms of temperatures, where it will remain cold in the north, but getting a little bit more spring-like towards the very far south of England, Wales and Ireland, where temperatures may continue to reach double figures. The website's force13.com. I'm back in 2 days.